Get it. I think he's making money, bro. Yeah, I think he's trading right now. Yeah, he's trading. He's wait. Good. Plugged. Figured you can hear me. Awesome. Test. What's up, guys? What's good? They can't hear me. They can't hear me. Where you at? Test. Okay. Awesome. What's good? Hey, what's up, man? Let me send out the link real quick. What's good, bro? How you feeling, bro? Alright, cool. Everything good. No. Hey, this is echoing. Awesome. I think that should be good now. No echoing? See, now there's so much echoing. Now it's still echoing. Test, test. Oh, okay, it's good now. Yeah, cool. Take that up real quick. Good. Got Bollinger Band. Awesome. Everyone's good. Let's see. I gotta send out more links. Hold on. Perfect. Hey, how much for the ticket? $100. No, I'm talking about $37 for the original. Okay. See, gotta go on my thing real quick. That's not bad. You know where it's gonna? We're gonna buy like 10 of. Oh yeah. Damn, that's good. You know where it's gonna be at? Nice. Probably the same place. That'd be cool. Uh, that place is pretty big though. It looks like. There you go. Alright, that should be good. Awesome. Alright, guys, what's good? How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody had a great weekend. Um, this week it's gonna be. I would say it's gonna be slow. In my opinion, because since last week we had a lot of movement. We're definitely gonna be. I think the market's gonna try to correct itself, but I'm definitely gonna look at a couple of charts today and go over a lot of like mindset stuff to get you guys ready for this week. Damn, dude, scratch that. See, let me set this up real quick. See, I don't need that. Perfect. See, pull up a couple of chart for you guys. You looking at anything right now, Jordan? You're probably not gonna trade tonight, huh? You probably passed out before too, bro. Why? Oh, oh yeah, definitely New York. I don't know, cause like, I mean, all this happened. It's just like I'm not sure really what it wants to do. Because actually I've been looking at GBP JPY a lot lately, and looking at I guess like monthly and um yeah, I usually look it up on monthly first. If you guys look at this, um you know how I always look at major the quarter theory, the major quarter, the major half in the the large quarter. It's like we're looking at this right here, and it's definitely been respecting it. Every time, every 1,000 pips, every 1,000 pips, and one thing that I noticed right here is, hold on. So we have this right here could be our zone, okay, and then this is our base right here, down here. So I see that it makes about four rise. So right now it looks like it has a, I think this is Brexit. Yeah, this is Brexit right here, and I was looking at it. I think the third push, as you guys know, is one of the biggest the most aggressive push. So right now I look it looks like it's on consolidation right now, and then it might have one final push down again, and then again this is gonna be it just right here. So so right now it looks like it's retesting for it to go down. As you can see, this drop, consolidate, went up again, then drop. So, but there definitely is, I mean, if you think about it, that's a good amount of pip. If you guys think, if you look at, let's just say it's gonna go up to here. That's about 2,000 pips. And if you go to your daily, this is only like right here. So you're looking at about 200 pips difference. Before it to go down. And then I can draw my trend line. So that right there, it broke through. So again, like we might even see it to, like right over here. That's where I would see it because um this is where our major quarter. And if you look from here to here is 1,000 pips. So that's if this respected right here, then yes, I mean it could go down. If it does break it, then you're looking at another 1,000 pips. So or it doesn't have to be there, or it could just be like from here. Check this out. From this wick right here to this candle. Okay. So let's draw our. Now this is okay. Cool. Perfect. Um. So now I'm gonna draw my major half. Quick. So yeah, that's where our major half is gonna be. So that could be the play for this pair right here. Um, because then again, if it comes up here, then it's gonna make triple top right here, and then that should be um that could be the sign right there. So if it breaks through, then you're looking at about 500 pips. That you're looking for it to go up, then reverse down. Um, but let me go from here. See, or it could be right here from this wick. 61.8. So just from this wick right here to here, that's 60. That's 38.2. So that's where this will be. Or make it go up, drop down again, go up to 61.8, because then again, you can draw your fib on, from like the big drop, or you can just do it right here. That only big drop only, where it be right there. So now you might even looking at, right here. It goes up to right here, or at the 61.8, which is at 149.798. I mean that's this different scenario you can look at. If if it passed through, you already know when you're gonna expect it to go down, or when you can buy it up on the retest, and then you already know, okay, cool, this is gonna go, it's gonna hit my 61.8. You know what I mean? So damn, this chart looks crazy. Look at my chart. That's too much, bro. It's not even indicators. I know. Right? I mean, it's just like from like everything that happened, but like it, and then it later like hit that point or hit the trend line. It's crazy. Gosh, I'm gonna delete the Fibonacci's. Let's see. gonna look at this real quick. Okay, cool. So, back, I want to say about 2 weeks ago. Actually, yeah, 2 weeks ago, I would say, this right here could drop down to this major quarter right here. Um, as you can see, it broke through. Okay, if you look, it broke through, came back down, retest, and look what it's doing. This right here, this way could be the uptrend from here. So if you guys trade USD JPY, now you might be looking at a more buy than more sell, less more buy than sell, because now this is gonna be as an option. And then again, you guys know that I don't look at indicators a lot, but this moving average right here, this 800 200 crosses right here. So now this is another confirmation too. So let me go 4 hour. You can see right here. Broke through major quarter, come back down, retest, and then takes off. So that's what we're looking at right here. Breakthrough, take a huge candle. If you look on a daily, huge candle breakthrough, come back down, retest. So let's mark that up. That's gonna be our retest. Okay, so now we're looking at an uptrend from here. So for that, and this is for USD JPY. And this again, it's been following the trend line. Everything's good. It's nice. It's been a nice um uptrend right here. Nice downtrend, smooth. Everything's good. And now again, as we're looking at major quarter the major the quarter theory is every thousand pip, every thousand pip, every thousand pip. That's whenever you can that right there, you can use that as support and resistance. A really really strong support and resistance. And as you already know, if it's gonna break the support and resistance or any kind of zone or anything, it's gonna take a big candle to break through. So look what it did. Okay, and then came back down to retest to confirm that this right here gonna be an uptrend from here. So let me check news real quick to see. So 10:30, actually 11:30 Central Time, the news gonna drop for GBP JPY. So that's about to be 10. Actually, hold on, it's not 10. It's 9:19. Okay. So yeah, if you look, it's already so went up, came back down. Now this right here could even come down and retest again. It's once it breaks through. I look at this as this what I would call this a base right here. Okay. I should make it a little bit bigger. And then now this be the first level of rise. Okay. So now what we can do is we can zoom out to our daily, and we can draw a zone. Okay, so you can go from here. Okay. So this is how you can really, you can see how your chart is gonna play out. This is like pretty much we're drawing up our stair, like it's a map to our stair. So how you see where this consolidate right here, where the price touches a lot. So you can just draw it right there. Draw another one right here. Um, it's really quick and easy, and once you get used to doing that, it's become a muscle memory, because if you think about it, would you rather know, like your map? I mean, this right here, I would say, for like any beginners, this is like the easiest way for you to trade because one, you're not chasing the market because let's just say that this is not here, okay? Let's just say that actually, yeah, let's just say this is not here, and you're looking at this and you see, okay, cool, the price went up here once, okay, cool. You might even sell it down because if you draw your fib, okay, this right here tests the 38.2, so that's a reversal. But anyways, so you see, okay, cool, it went down and then it went up again. So you're like, okay, cool, that's right here. It's the double top. So then it go down again, go up, go back up. Now it come back up for the third time. So now you're looking at, okay, this might be a zone. So what you can do, you can draw like right there, and then you can do negative, like say 1,000. Okay. Now that's gonna extend it back. You see where it hit this price perfectly. Now you just keep backtracking it. Check this out. Now it hit that zone perfectly. This zone right here, perfect, perfect. This is what price reject off it perfectly. This is not where it's a consolidation. This is where the price actually touch and reverse. Okay, you look right here. All of this right here is perfect. It makes sense, right? So if you just start doing that and then just keep backtracking your work, you can definitely be a better trader every single day. You know what I mean? Just keep doing that. That right there is price action. It's what you see where the price is coming from. You're looking at it, you see a zone, and then boom, you're able to see, okay, this right here it's gonna be my support or resistance. Because again, this is happening right here, and it's happening down here also. So it's working for this also, and this one right here. So what can you expect from this? Okay, what is happening whenever the price come up to this price right here, and came up and then just bounce off. So you're looking at this right here now. As we're talking about this, we're looking at as an uptrend now. Okay, so we're looking at this uptrend now, and then this right here definitely respect this 200 EMA line. So now I'm already expecting this to break through this. Okay, once this break through, it's gonna come down, retest, and do the same thing. Go up, come back down, retest, get in, go up, retest, get in. It's a cycle. It's a pattern. You gotta when you're looking at this, you know, every number, like actually in a forex market, there is just so much pattern. For example, this right here, this might confuse you guys, but if you think about it, everything that I've drawn here respect, back over all the way over here. Like even with my Euro AUD. Look at this. Okay. I mean, I know this is gonna be a little harder to see, um, oh, actually, no, I'm sorry. I deleted everything. It was too much. It was I mean, it wasn't bad, but like it was just a lot of stuff that was on my chart that actually I'm thinking about just deleting everything of this. Excuse me, everything right here, and just draw this again. It's the same thing as you know, that's honestly for me, like that's the easiest way for you to make any money, because then you're being patient, because once the price go up to your zone, except for this right here, okay? Actually, if you already know you're in a downtrend, it's different. But if you already know that if you draw this up, okay, and then it's gonna consolidate and then break through, consolidate down, go up again. It's resting. You know what I mean? And then it's gonna go up again. But once you're able to do that, as everything starts clicking slowly, 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 slowly. Because for me, you know, for the new people that are in here, I study for 10 hours a day. Like one strategy, I'll be studying for 10 hours a day, and I would not get up from my my chair. I wouldn't even eat until like I actually know what how I actually use that strategy to make me money. Because look, you're not gonna get any richer if you keep going out to, go to the bar, go to out partying and this and that. That's not gonna happen. It's really not. So you gotta understand that you have to put in hours and hours and hours and hours and hours, you know, to study this. Because if you treat this like a business, it's gonna pay you like a business. But if you keep treating it as a hobby or something you do after work, like I always say, you're not gonna get anywhere with this. You gotta go all in. So if you come to me and ask me, hey man, can I get your help? Anything? It's like I'm gonna ask you how many hours are you studying a day? How are you how are you trying to figure yourself out? Because look, I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have anybody for me to rely on. Because whenever we started this, no one knew what we're doing. Like we just didn't. We just, oh cool, we can make money from our phone, and that was the greatest thing that I ever heard in my entire life. So I was like, bet, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna study hours and hours and hours and hours a day. Because look, I see this guy making, $1,000 a day or whatever it is. I want to be able to make that. You know, thoughts becomes to things. You gotta understand that your mind is so powerful. That's why they said it's 10% technical and 90% psychological. Because look, yes, you can click buttons, but what if that trades gets you to negative or whatever? Are you gonna stay in it, or are you just gonna take the loss and keep moving forward? That's something that a lot of people are afraid to do. They're afraid to take losses. No, and again, I don't like to take losses either. But you know what? Sometimes if it's gonna go against your rules, you might as well not do it. If you're not gonna obey your rules and actually committed to it, like yo, let's say you're in profit. Your goals is to catch 20 pips per trade, and you go past 25. Why are you still in it? You know that right there is discipline. Okay, and actually, I'm gonna pull up something for you guys real quick. That it might be helpful for some of you guys, and I can custom this for you guys too also. But I'm gonna put this up real quick, and this is gonna be a little game plan. It's gonna be in my academy that I'm currently working on, but yeah, like this is hold on, I don't want to go to my email. This is gonna be part of my academy that I'm currently working on, and this is just a quick and simple game plan you guys can do. This right here is 12 weeks to six figures. If you have $1,000 account, now this right here, yes, this is over leveraging, and if you're looking at the rules of risk management, yes, you are over leverage your account. But this right here, if you when you know your stuff, okay, when you know your stuff, you're confident in your trade, you're confident in your analysis, and you trust yourself enough to be like, you know what, I know my stuff. Stop lot size doesn't really bother me or whatever. I'm used to seeing, if I'm negative like 5 pips, like how much am I seeing? Can I cope with that? A lot of people are just starting off with like $50 account, $100 account, and they're seeing like $20, $30 negative. In like a $1,000 account. Like how are you gonna react to it? Like it's something that you gotta work on. It's psychological things. So catching 50 pips a day, like that's good. Like you don't have to catch 100 pips, but for me, like that's my minimum of per day. So I try to go like 150, but most time like I'm always striving to get 200. But again, I don't like to stay in the market too long every day, so I like to just get in and out. So but yeah, I mean, but if you look, like 5 pips, 10 pips per trade. That's very manageable. Um, let's just say that I get 10 pips on this trade, 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips. Boom, I'm done. I'm going to sleep. I'm not staying up, looking at my chart for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours because look, it's not moving. It's not nothing's happening. So you're afraid to leave your trade. You're afraid to leave. Look away from your trades. Like, it shouldn't be like that. For me, I get in. It takes me like 5 minutes, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. It's over and over and over. My growth transaction. That's something that I teach to my student. It's like, what if you really trying to take this, take off with this, like, you gotta stay committed to your goals. So you definitely have a plan before you even get in. Like you can drop your how many pips you're trying to catch a day per week. You know, um, and then over that, you should have, write down your at least 2 or 3 confirmations that you have when you get into that trade. And I think right there, just a little bit of discipline can, really take off your, your trading skills. So now let me look at the dollar index real quick. I haven't looked at that in a minute. Mm, oh, it's right here. Cool. Dang, it went all the way up again, and it gapped. It gapped, bro. The dollar gapped. So definitely, it's working its way up there. Um, wow, that's crazy. You see a zone right here. Break through, come back down, retest, take off, and then now we're looking at this, and we have a zone up here. Let me go look at that real quick on my daily chart. Wow, this little W that's creating right here. What is, or you can call it as a teacup pattern. Excuse me. So I'm gonna look at the RSI on this. I should. Yeah, I'm gonna use 21. Yeah, I'm gonna use 21. So it definitely has a little bit more to go. Um, if you, I usually look at around like 75. So that, yeah, around up here. So that should be well over. Yeah, it should be all the way up here. So that's where we can be expecting it to go up. So USD should be rising. USD JPY. So once it hit right here, that's where we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it's gonna either break through or even just fall from here. So um, and I think that this way it could be consolidating for a little while too, because if you look every time it like jump, it consolidate and then actually like consolidate up more than anything. You see right here, jump up, consolidate, push up, consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. Um, and this is where we see a lot of consolidation right here, moving a lot of it's moving sideways too. Um, not a whole, not a lot of movement, but definitely my thing is gonna go up to here, um, 100 points, 100.00 at least 100. But if anything, this is if this breaks through, then this is where I'm expecting. Okay, guys. We're looking at this right here, and this major quarter. I mean, this major quarter. This might even break through, and then even go up to here. And this is gonna be our creating this huge. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys. This is crazy. Um, Look at this. This is what we're expecting, guys. Look at this. This great, this big W. You already know what it is. If you know this pattern, I don't need to tell you. You know what I mean? Because look, jump up, retest, jump up again. It's a system. It's a pattern that you gotta look at. Okay, look, you gotta expect there's either three or four fall or rise. Okay, so when you're looking at that, you're able to see the game or the movement for that trend. Okay, you see, okay, it goes up one. You see your base right here. See your base, and then okay, it goes up one, two, and then you see, all right, cool. It either has one more to go, one big push more to go, and this is right here. This might even be two. When it goes up, actually consolidate, go up, two, consolidate, three. What do you mean? We'll come to here. Yeah, comes to here, consolidate, and push up one more, and then this right here, we're looking at this, um, to fall around January, whenever the president's sworn in, and we're projecting this to go down like 1,200 pips, in within 45 minutes range. So definitely be aware whenever you're trading around January, because as of right now, you can expect the dollar to go up. So so everything for with the dollar, like I said, this could be at the uprise right here. Okay, and then for any um um USD probably, that's just my bias on that. Like I said, I'm no expert to this, so but yeah, this again, AUD USD is trying to push up. So it just makes sense, like once you're looking at different pairs, and you always know that it's the same. It's USD. It probably will move the same or opposite. Especially for USD JPY and AUD USD moves, with the dollar. So if it goes up, those two pairs are gonna go up. So again, looking at how it's structured, of like where the price with the market for that pair, it just makes sense of why it will start going up, and then it'll fall later on, once after New Year hits, and then everything would, I feel like after that everything would change, or after that it's just gonna start correcting itself over and again. But that's what I'm expecting this to do, is to go up, and then once January or whenever the president is sworn in, the dollar would drop exponentially. So be on the lookout for that, guys. So let's see. But yeah, do you guys have any questions? I mean, I know I've been talking for a while. I want you guys to be able to talk to me and just ask any questions, or any concern that you have. Definitely let me know. Let's see. Nice. So let me look at GU real quick. I just got something on that. Yeah, on for GBP. Let's see, GBP USD. Well, actually, we're looking at that right now. Um, I want to draw a Fibonacci's on this real quick to see what's going on with this. So looking at this, what I would say is for from this on, just just a broad bias on this, just going off of Fibonacci is that I guess it's taking a break. It's retesting off of the 50 Fibonacci's. Now it might be even be working its way down to the 38.2, then push it up to 61.8. But on my bias on this right here is that I think it's gonna once it hit 61.8, it's definitely gonna retrace down. Um, and actually that is from, let me pull up the harmonic scanner real quick. Or actually, here, let me log in real quick. It's loading right now. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull this up and see what is there any setup for this week. I definitely want to set up a trade for you guys this week. So we kind of I want to look at a pair for this week, and oh, actually I forgot to tell you guys. I'm actually gonna be in California on Wednesday. So if you're out there, definitely message me. We're definitely gonna be trading this upcoming week. But again, if you're out there in Cali, Sacramento's, definitely let's connect. Message me, and let's get connected. Let's trade. Let's make some money. Let's make some cool videos. Like let's get it. You know what I mean? But yeah, so you guys know if you're out there, I'm serious. Like let me know, cause it'd be really cool to meet one of you guys. But yeah, we're going out there. Got a place and just wanted to trade in Sacramento for like a week and a half. So, but oh wow, I didn't even see you guys comment. Let's see. Just, can I get? Of course, yeah. Hey, um, message me. Herbie, I think. I'm sorry if I say your name wrong. But yeah, send me actually add me on Facebook for the new people in here. Add me on Facebook. Here's my Facebook, and if you guys want the spreadsheet, let me know. Add me on Facebook right here. It's Nat Limpet, and this is me right here. So, but yeah, like definitely, I'll send it to you guys. But again, just message me, and I'll be able to send it to you guys. Um, but yeah, it's like this. It's like this this right here. You're used to um, you're USD, and this will be the entry. So yeah, I mean this is the setup right now, and then for the long term, actually let me look at. Um, so that was another one. It's already in profit. Was good. I like to see that. That's 36 pips already in profit off of the scanner. So um, it's doing the same thing. Let's look at AUDSD. Nice. So the scanner calls it up here. This is gonna be the entry. You can see it drops the most to 200 pips. So can't complain. But yeah, I mean that's really it for that one. You know, it's really helpful. You know, once you're able to see how everything works, you can draw up your chart and everything a lot easier because you already know that there's a zone. You're using your zone, your trend lines, everything. It's the simple stuff. You know, it's really basic. Just naked chart with maybe EMA, two EMA, 200 and 800, and you have your zone as you can see right here. Okay, zone right here, your trend lines, your EMA, and that's really all you need. I don't really have anything else. I mean, other than the RSI, but this, other than that, this is it. You know, that's really all you need. You don't really need any fancy indicators because why? Why are they there? If you think about why are they there, they're there because they're there to go against you. Yes, you can trade. Yes, you can make money off of it, but how many pips? You know, would you rather know the language or would you know, you know, would you rather know the language or would you just let someone else do the work for you? You know, again, you're in this for yourself. You know what I mean? You're in this to learn the skills. This is a lifetime skill set where you can, turn, $10 to $100 or $1 to $100. It doesn't matter. This could happen. You know, if you know your stuff, you know your skill set, this is gonna stick around. You know, it's gonna help you in any kind of way. You know, like, oh, I need to make money real quick. Boom, I know how to. 5 minutes, $100 real quick. It's that simple. You know what I mean? Once you put in the hours and hours and hours and hours and hours, being on your craft and like, yo, look, I gotta sit down and be like, I gotta put everything aside and then I gotta look. I gotta figure out what is it that I really want. If you really want to learn or to really just profit in the forex market, because a lot of people don't, and this is why I'm here. I'm here to help you guys get to the next level because no one really did that for me. So I wanted to be there for you guys, in any kind of way, because I would appreciate if someone would have reached out and be like, yo, you know what? Let me give some free knowledge real quick. You know what I mean? So and plus if you want more, um, if if you just study more and more and more and more and more, only great things could happen. Like, if you, I posted this on my Snapchat. I don't, that right there, and my caption is, my thoughts becomes reality. You know, while my friends were out partying, getting lit, going to college, wasting money, I stayed in and studied for 10 hours a day, read more books, study the most successful people. Great things only is the outcome. You know, yes, no, I don't get the best. I mean, yes, I like to read books, but before I even started like to read books, I was like, this is if this is gonna help me or not. Like I need to study. I need to study my craft. This is gonna help me. Yes, it's gonna help you in every kind of way because once you read any book, you recruit that person. You recruit that author. Like and that's and writing a book. It takes a very long time. So once you do, you have that knowledge. You have that the soldier in your army. Once you do that, so even like reading like naked forex or anything like those help and like personal development books like you can see right here. I actually have a lot of books. Actually, let me show you guys. I don't know if it's on this drive. uh I think it's this one. Nope. Where is it at? I used to. I know I still have a bunch of books. Oh, this is not good. Nope. I have Gary Vaynerchuk. I just don't know where my book goes. Maybe it's in my other. Yeah, it's probably in my other account. Yeah, I probably have it in my other account. But yeah, I have like, Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Um, I mean, I actually haven't really been like reading like Forex, books, but definitely, the greatest salesman in the world. It's how to be a leader, and every anything that you read, it's gonna help in the Forex market in any kind of way. It's definitely gonna be helpful. So, um, yeah. But yeah, you guys have any questions for me? If you have any concern or anything, you can definitely uh ask me. But, but yeah, guys. I mean, check out Ryan Holiday. Actually, I'm gonna look him up right now. Um, what book do you recommend? Um, you don't enjoy shark. That was good. I think I've seen this book before. That looks really interesting. Yeah, definitely. Hmm, you guys might. Oh, actually, I've seen this before. I've seen this book before. I actually haven't read it. I was at it was I think it was right next to, yeah, I saw it at the bookstore one day. Whatever. I think I was picking up it's like a, what is his name? Damien, the guy that was in the shark, what's that thing called? Hey, what show was that? With like Shark Tank. Yeah, Shark Tank. Damien. Yeah, yeah, that was the guy that was his book is really good. But yeah, I was debating to get that because, whenever like ego is like the biggest enemy, like the biggest, because, man, a lot. You send a link. Yeah, for sure, yeah. Can you, hey, Rhonda, can you message me on Facebook so I can remind me before I forget. Let's see, long on USD CAD. Yeah, let me look at that real quick. Buying on USD CAD. You looking at diversions, bro? No. See. What was your price for USD CAD? He's buying USD CAD right now. Eh, Perfect. Oh my gosh, zones. It just works so well. Like, this makes so much. Let's see. It's definitely retesting right now. Um, draw my Fibonacci's on that real quick. Definitely coming up on the point or point 50, I guess you would say, and then I guess it looked like it's trying to work its way up to 61.8. But I think after it breaks through the 50%, um, that right there should be, yeah, it should be reaching up to the 61.8 at that point. So, but yeah, I mean, definitely retesting right now. Maybe you can like get in like even if you can try to get like a little lower. Are you day trading it or are you swing trading it though? That's the 1.34. 1.34. Oh, and you got all the way down here. It's the 1.34. Nice. Oh, he's catching some mad pips right now. This guy right here. He got it. Oh, okay. Off of monthly. Dang, this was really good. Um, let's see. Is it 1.34000? Cause you cut it like all the way down here. That's be impressive. Yeah, 127. It's crazy, man. I don't know if I can hold it that long. That's man, that's a journey though. It goes up, down, up, down. So much emotions going on. You were looking off of monthly. See? Oh, okay, I got you. You got it at the 38, probably like right here. Man, that's good. Yeah, that's what I was looking at for GBP JPY. I was telling y'all, it was like right here. I was like, yo, if it breaks through this, it's gonna go up to 61.8. That's why I was like on a daily, on a weekly. Gee, what was it? Yeah, see, like, I was looking at that right there. That's where, and it just kept going up. It passed that too. That's crazy. See, 1.3424, 3424. Okay, nice, nice. So you're in a doing good profit right now, man. But yeah, I mean, definitely I mean, off of monthly. I mean, this is, it could even go up to the 61.8 after that point. But hey, if how long are you gonna leave this trade in, man? I mean, this is gonna be a while. Definitely has gonna take a while to reach up to. You got about two 281 281 pips to go. I was going. I was gonna take it down 1.323. 323 is around here. 1 3 1 3. It's all the way up here. Hold on. 1323. That's I don't think that's right. Hold on, let me check. I mean, like how many pips are you up right now? Or like what is your actually what is your usually like what is your goal for every trade? Because for me, it's like either like 20 or 30 pips every trade in and out. Um, look at yeah, I'll definitely look at USD JPY. I got you. So yeah, what we talked about earlier was if you're looking at the daily chart, okay, and you're looking at this, okay, definitely this zone right here will price um reject right here, and you look, okay, cool. This, whenever you're looking at this, you're trying to see, okay, how many levels or rise has it's been, like, and you're looking at either 3 or 4 level of rise or fall. So as right here, this has been respecting this trend line, and if you draw up your I guess your levels of your fall, you can see that this right here is the fourth level of fall down here. So, but it actually break through our major quarter. So what it did was it break it, took a huge channel to break through, um and then came back down, retest perfectly, and then and my bias on this is that is USD JPY is going to keep going up from here. And if you look at the dollar currency or the dollar index, it's that definitely on the monthly chart, it's definitely been rising now, and then it fall, and then now it's I think it's gonna keep going up, break through this zone, even push it up to all the way to up here. But this is monthly chart, and if you draw your trend line from the very beginning to 2001, and then what's going to happen again is that this is making a huge W, and we think this is going to at least kind of go up here, you know, go up here, maybe where this major quarter and the trend line intersect. So this might be keep moving, and then right here, okay. That's our bias on this right now. Is that the dollar's gonna keep rising until whatever event happens in the future, but um, we can definitely expect this to go up for now, and then around next year, maybe end of next year or early next 2017. It's there might be events going on. So, but other than that, that's really it for USD JPY. Is that it's once it breaks through the zone that you have right here, it's gonna go up, come back down, retest, and then go up again. And that's the flow of the market. And you can definitely see that this right here is where a lot of consolidation. So yes, this might even be the fourth. This whole thing right here is the base. That's what I always mark up on my chart is base slash fourth level of fall or rise. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. It'd be a lot better. Um, uh, hold on. I'm not sure. I'm trying to look at where'd it go? This can be GBP USD. I think it's on this chart. Nope. AUD USD. How about that? AUD USD. Okay, cool. So this right here, a lot of consolidation, drop, retest, drop. So that's one. Drop again. Excuse me. And then consolidate up, drop, consolidate up, drop, and huge drop, and then this will be his fourth level down here. You see where all the consolidation, and then again go up, test it, go up again. It's a cycle. It's a cycle, and that's what you can do. Drop your zone. Predict where price may even come back down, retest again, keep going out. It's a level. It goes up, and then it's gonna take a rest, and then go up again, take a rest, go up again. It's the same thing, up and down. So once you're able to get the concept and get to, get a feel for the flow of the market, then your trading will become a lot easier. So, but yeah, other than that, that's really it for, again, for USD JPY, and for any other pair. Or if you're new and you're trying to get the flow of the market, this is the best way to go. Drop your zone, know how to how drop the flow of the market. That's why I would say draw the flow up to the market, and then you can see where is it finished going up, or is it finished going down. So that right there, again, it will make your life so much easier. So, and if there's not any more questions, call it for the night, and you guys have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.